Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add summation equation in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to add summation equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then go to the equation drop down menu. Then apply the summation equation. Go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the summation equation. You can apply the Fourier equation. Now we can see we added summation equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.